So we have created a reference functional location. Okay. And if you want to change the label of our functional location. Okay. So if I go to this CMD unit mains functional location, or I will go to yesterday we have created TA1. Okay, this functional location. So if you want to change the label of the functional location, okay, how you can do that? So here is one tab, extras, and in extras there is alternative label is there. So this is the functional location. Okay, TA1, this is the functional location. And if you want to change, select and you can go to change label. So see, new label and formal label. So if you want, you can change that label. I will not change on higher level. I will change on third hierarchical level. Okay. So what is my third hierarchy? Okay.
Conveyor one.
Yeah. So we will change to CON2. Okay, this is my first level. Yes. IL02. Okay, conveyor one. I need to go to extras, alternative labeling, overview, select, go to change, and here make 2, new label. So it will go to 2. You can check. Active is second, CON2. So I will show you where we can configure this. Can user change or not change? So there is a backend configuration. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, plan maintenance and customer service. There is master data. And here we need to go technical object. Okay, and technical object functional location. And here somewhere is alternate labeling. Yeah, alternate label for functional location. Activate alternate labeling. Okay. You need to make there one check mark is there, checkbox, which we need to activate. Then only you can able to change the, yeah, see. If I uncheck this, I will show you. I will uncheck it and I will save this. Okay. So I will again go back and I will go to slash here IL02, this CON2, extras, alternate labeling. See, this is disabled.
Okay.
So system will not allow. So that is the role of functional consultant. Means if you want to restrict, you want to allow whatever setting, see, end user will not have access for SPRO.
Similarly, I have tried to execute the command. No, it's not.
No. End user will not have access. Otherwise, it will hamper the system. So activate, say, only consultant, or yeah, some company what they have some SMEs are there, subject matter expertise. So company will give IT head or some higher levels managers of IT like this. They can make the changes. Okay. So yeah, we are good with the functional location labeling. So there is one T code /IL06. So IH06, just a moment, /n IH06. So via this T code, you can display, means it like a list display. So I will show you. Okay, this is first hierarchy. Alternative indicator, not all. So basically, this will display the list of functional location under this, all the details, everything. I will do one thing. Whatever functional location we have created, I will update here. TA1, okay, TA1, CMD, then PLM, okay, and execute. Okay, it's showing only one. Okay, why it's showing only one? Basically, in the list display, we can select multiple functional location and system will show us. Okay, we'll do one thing. Okay, superior functional location. Okay, hierarchy. Okay, okay. Basically, we for other functional location we have not gone to the up to bottom hierarchy, but no issue. You just whatever functional location in your list, you can copy here. Okay, and it will show you all the functional location on the list display. Let me go. I will remove and I will make some plant 1000. If you don't know that how many functional location available in your plant, so for your site you need to update here 1001, and here what is that?
1059.
1059. And you need to execute. You just note down this IH06.
H06. Okay.
Yeah, it will give you all the list. But again, if data is too much, then you need to restrict little bit. Okay, I will execute now. Okay, alternate indicator. Not all technical space has been converted. Okay.
And IH01 is for sir?
IH01 is hierarchical display. Hierarchy, not a list display. This is list display. Okay, list display. Okay, if you want to see the mechanical work center is selected in how many functional location, I will show you. Remove everything. Remove everything. Just keep work center as a mechanical and execute. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4 functional location are using mechanical work center as MECH. So same, you can check a planner group is using how many function are used by how many functional locations. You understand?
Okay, understood.
So you do one thing tomorrow. Once you get time, simply execute IH06 and you can just select, and here I will show you. Yeah, in spreadsheet, just click on spreadsheet. All the functional location and description you will get on the Excel. So it's just you need to copy, no need to type. Just copy paste, file you training for your training. You understand? Okay, number of column. Okay, table. You know this functionality,
No, sir,
SAP to
no.
Excel.
No.
Okay. Yeah. See, CMD, TAT, functional location will be Excel. So simply you can copy and you can put here in SAP for creation. Right? Do you want me to show it again or you understand?
Once again, sir. No.
Okay. So simple. Just maintain the maintenance plan.
Okay.
If you have any other data, update. Otherwise, simply execute. Okay, that many functional location. Again, you need to restrict because in your company it will be lots of data. Select, just click on spreadsheet. Just okay on table. Okay, Microsoft Excel. Okay, see on Excel. Again,